You have the valve and little plastic tube thing, so the water could go inside the thing like this. And the little connector, you could tie it up right here. I just have to disconnect this. It's a little bit hard sometimes. Depends on how old or how long they haven't switched it. There's usually going to be water coming out because there's still a little bit of water left. So I'm just going to pull it as fast as I can and switch it. Tie this up there. I'm taking out this part now. And with that, you should be able to take out the valve. If you can't take it out, just try as hard as you can because you won't break it. Don't worry. And this should be all coming out loose, as you can see. I'm going to switch it here right quick. Water. I always put this at the bottom just in case there's extra water. It fell. Now I'm just going to switch it right quick. So there you go, I switched it. I couldn't really record because I'm by myself, but yeah, switched it. I put this other little one that came with this one. And this one has like a little feature that you can, if you move it to the side, you can raise it up or raise it back down. It depends on how big this is. You always want to keep it low, at least a little bit lower right here. And don't forget your tube. Then switch the old connector to the new one. So there's a new one. I already plugged it, so all I have to do is unplug it from here, and again make sure the water's off. You usually need like a little wrench or something. Just make it the size. Let me just do this right quick. Okay, I'm just making sure it's tight. And now from up here, just twist and that should be it. There you go, it's all connected. Now turn on the water and see if it's okay. Do it always slowly. So I should have recorded the way it was before, but it's okay. As long as you know how to switch one, you should be good. Right now we're just waiting to see if it goes above here, and if it doesn't, then it's all clear. And after that, we'll get to the main job that we came to actually do, which is unclog this. So it's there, so I'm just to the line we want it to be at. So it's going above again. So that means we have to lower. Just twist it, put it to the side you want it, size you want it. We wait for that, let's start taking it out. low, not at the very edge of it. So flush it again, twist it, lower it down a bit. And let's see if this time it's okay. Now it's a little bit stuck. So stop, there you go, it stopped, see that? This is right at the bottom right here. So that's where we want it to be. So that's how you switch a valve on a toilet. Not just to put the top back, leave it how it was, and finish the rest of the job. So what I brought here is the snake. Once you take this off, that's where it goes through. And all the extra hair or something that's stuck there should come out at the tip of this. See all that? Nothing but hair. So as y'all can see, there's a lot of hair. There's probably a lot more in there. So what I have to keep doing is just put it back in there. That doesn't have a really good smell to it. I should have got some gloves. I'll just use your paper like this. That was most of it. That's everything that came out. So far so good, it's draining, that's what we want to see. Give it a minute to see if it rises up. If not, it should be good. It should be unclogged. I'm about to put it down one more time because it's running kind of slow. I'll put it out one last time and let's see. Yeah, no hair. That should be good. I figured it was hair stuck here since I took out most of, well, I'm pretty sure I took all of it out. So I brought this little one thingy so I could take off the hair. So See, there is hair coming out, and that's really me sticking it in. So I'll show you guys. Look, all this hair in there. Not a lot. It's still enough to clog it up. So that should be it. That should be fixed. And there you go. Doesn't get clogged up no more. The water's running. It's all good. That's how you fix a tub. If it's clogged up, you usually fix it from there or there. Your two main sources. As you see, you just need a screwdriver and screw it, and that's it. Stick your snake in. You can get one at Home Depot and buy one of these, so you could also unclog that. And that's pretty much it.